Safety footwear is a critical investment for workers across construction, manufacturing, logistics, and field service. The right shoe protects against impact, compression, electrical hazards, and punctures while remaining comfortable enough for long shifts. This review evaluates 5 widely available models from Hogent, Skechers. List number 1. Hogent steel-toe shoes for women and men. Wide, non-slip. Hogent offers a unisex, wide-fit composite toe sneaker designed for all-day comfort with a focus on lightweight performance. The key features include a composite safety toe, wide toe box, breathable mesh upper, and a reinforced puncture-resistant midsole. The build emphasizes an athletic sneaker silhouette rather than a traditional boot, aimed at general construction, warehouse tasks, and light site work, where prolonged wearability matters. The look is casual enough to wear off-site, which broadens its appeal for mixed-use environments. In real-world use, the Hogent model delivers solid, all-day comfort due to its lightweight construction and breathable materials. The composite toe provides adequate protection for many job sites, though it may not satisfy the strictest high-impact environments where steel toes are preferred. The wide fit helps with toe splay and reduces fatigue for users with broader feet, while the slip-resistant outsole aligns with typical indoor-outdoor workplaces. However, the lack of insulation and limited upper ankle support may reduce performance in colder environments or uneven terrain. The puncture resistance adds peace of mind for light construction tasks.
List number 2. Skechers Men's Kinkton Steel-Toe Electrical Hazard. Skechers Kinkton is a steel-toe construction shoe designed for men with electrical hazard protection and a durable leather upper. The model emphasizes comfort through a memory foam cushioned insole, a familiar Skechers comfort approach, and a sturdy outsole designed to handle construction site traction. The inclusion of electrical hazard protection makes it suitable for environments with active circuits and potential live exposure, expanding use beyond purely mechanical hazards. Performance-wise, the Kinkton balances protection with everyday wearability. The memory foam insole and flexible leather upper contribute to long wear comfort during long shifts, while the steel toe offers dependable impact resistance. The electrical hazard rating adds a critical layer of safety for substation work, electrical maintenance, or cable routing. Some users may find the toe box slightly narrower if they have wider feet, and the leather can require maintenance to prevent creasing and water penetration. Durability should hold up under typical construction wear, with the rubber outsole delivering solid grip on wet or oily surfaces.
List number 3. Steel-toe work boots for men, wide-toe safety shoes with. AUVI presents a wide-toe safety boot-style shoe that emphasizes slip resistance and breathable comfort. The shoe is positioned as a robust industrial-grade option with a slip-resistant rubber sole and a breathable upper designed for workers who require reliable traction and long-wear comfort without excessive weight. The wide-toe design mirrors the Hogent approach to comfort for broader feet, while the overall construction targets a balance of protection and mobility for standing and walking tasks in construction or manufacturing settings. In practice, the AUVI model performs well on slick surfaces thanks to its slip-resistant outsole, which is a critical factor for fall prevention in wet or oily environments. Breathability helps reduce heat buildup during extended shifts, and the wide toe aids with foot fatigue. The shoe's protection level is adequate for many mid-tier hazards, though users in high-velocity impact zones or with specialized PPE might require higher-grade protection. Durability appears solid for everyday use, though the outsole wear pattern should be monitored on rugged terrain to ensure long-term grip remains consistent. List number 4. Timberland Pro Men's Powertrain Sport Alloy Safety Toe Industrial Athletic Work Shoe. Timberland Pro Powertrain Sport Alloy Safety Toe is a premium athletic-style work shoe featuring an alloy safety toe, anti-fatigue technology, and a lightweight polyurethane outsole. The Rebold material indicates a focus on sustainability with at least 50% recycled PET content. The alloy toe provides robust protection while maintaining a lighter profile than traditional steel toes, and the anti-fatigue technology aims to deliver all-day comfort by returning energy with each step. From a performance perspective, the powertrain sport excels in comfort longevity due to Timberland's anti-fatigue system and energy-returning design. The alloy toe broadens protection without excessive weight, which is valuable for workers who spend long hours on their feet. The polyurethane outsole offers good slip, oil, and abrasion resistance, making it suitable for mixed surfaces. The premium materials and build quality justify the higher price, though some users may find the sizing runs true to size and expect a snug fit. For extreme cold or trench environments, additional insulation might be needed.
List number 5. Tynify steel toe shoes for women lightweight. Tynify offers a budget-friendly steel toe sneaker with a focus on lightweight comfort and slip resistance. The design mirrors a casual sneaker silhouette while providing essential safety features such as a steel toe and puncture-resistant midsole. This model targets users who need basic protection for light to mid-range tasks, retail or warehouse work, without the bulk of traditional safety boots. Performance-wise, the Tynify sneaker delivers dependable everyday protection with a focus on comfort and affordability. The combination of slip resistance and a lightweight construction helps reduce fatigue during long shifts. However, protection levels are not intended for the most hazardous environments, and the outsole may wear faster under heavy-duty use. The shoe is an excellent value option for those who prioritize low cost and all-day wearability in non-extreme workplace conditions.